Silence. Who is he? He's one of the up-and-coming hip-hop and R&B artists right here from the city of Indianapolis. And when he's not gracing the covers of Indigo buses, he's rubbing elbows with some of the top-notch artists in the industry. Don't bet on this artist being silenced anytime soon. Make sure you stay tuned to this exclusive all-access backstage pass to the one and only Dead Silence. His music is being heard around the globe and even placed in movies that can be found on ABC, MTV, and now picked up by Disney. Stay tuned because you are now tuned in to an episode of Up Close, Unplugged, and Uncut. It's your girl, Sounds of Shar'e, and I'm bringing you a mini-exclusive interview with the one and only Dead Silence.
Hey everybody out there, and thank you so much for tuning in on an exclusive backstage pass of Up Close, Unplugged, and Uncut. I'm your girl, Sounds of Shar'e. I am downtown with the one and only Dead Silence. How are you tonight, sir?
Great, successful video shoot.
Oh man, I'm super excited about that. I know the models showed up, they showed out, everybody looks amazing. You did an amazing job. I'm super honored to be one of the chosen models to be on the music video, so make sure you guys stay tuned to that. The title is called Hollywood, and it is very amazing. I'm super excited. It's a really dope track. Where did you get your inspiration to come up with that song?
I'm a old school type of person, so like my vibe is very nostalgic. That's what it's jazz music, old school jazz back to the 50s, 60s. So I like entwining old school melodies with new school beats.
Nice.
So that's why I provided such like a 90s type of.
Yeah, you give off that common vibe, that dwell late underground, Talib, Kweli. Yes, most definitely. Tell the audience out there where they can find your music at. And I heard that you have been, your music has been placed in big shows. You can find on ABC and NBC. I mean, like, that has to be really dope. Artists right here from Indianapolis, you're making big moves. You're giving people chances and opportunities in the entertainment world. Where can we find Dead Silence at? And really you, if you have any shows coming up or anything like that.
So all my music is available for all platforms: iTunes, Tidal, Spotify, Apple Music, Deezer, Facebook Music, Google Play, all stores possible. Look up Dead Silence Hustle Machine. It'll pop up. Yeah, just as far as like MTV, Disney, and all that. I'm just trying to show artists a different way to get in the entertainment industry.
Exactly.
So that's really the untapped market. So
yeah,
I'm just trying to show love back.
Nice, and you definitely showed us love. I mean, we were able to enjoy drinks and food and just have an amazing time with some of the models here right here in the city of Indianapolis. We are so excited that you were able to join us here on the Close, Unplugged, and Uncut. Make sure you guys stay tuned to theretreatusa.com and also soundsofshare.net. I will have some info where you can stay up to date with everything that is Dead Silence. See you later.
You heard it here first, only on Up Close, Unplugged, and Uncut. I'm your girl, Sounds of Shar'e. You've been tuned in to an exclusive all-access pass with the one and only Dead Silence. Make sure you stay tuned and don't go anywhere because I'm bringing you the world premiere of his sneak peek music video, Hollywood. Exclusive footage you won't see anywhere else.
I'ma be Hollywood, that's on me. Far as I can see, can't nobody do it how I do when I'm finessing on beat. Shout out to the OG. Love me and hate me, I know I'm solid till I bleed. Y'all want me to do everything but succeed, so just follow my lead, that's on me. I'm going Hollywood.
This episode was brought to you by The Retreat. Make sure you join us January 24th from 4 to 7 p.m. for another segment of Soul Food and Jazz Sundays. Purchase your tickets today at eventbrite.com. 120 East Market Street, Indianapolis, Indiana 46204, Suite 705. The Retreat USA. It's a vibe.